It was on the pillow.
Shut up. Is there liquor left?
Yeah.
Who wants to finish it?
Me.
Fuck you, Rich.
Oh, shit, my fucking God.
Dude, it's bird shit.
Hey, Stephen, you want some crab? No? Guess
This
not.
is a crab.
I can't believe she cooked that.
Stefan already has crabs.
Stephen's a crab ass.
Dude.
Stephen's
Dude.
always a crab ass.
Is it time for us to go already?
I'm ready to go get tan.
Oh, is it in the morning already? Really? Fuck that, dude. Whatever, you guys are gay. Just seems like
Go on, Rich.
Richard, you need to control those urges.
Ryan, you know it's good.
What? I don't even know what you're talking about.
The crab.
What are you doing, dude? That flash is gonna put my eyes out. Get that can away from here! Devil woman! Get it away!
Give me a bite. I want another bite.
Who turned on the stove for you? What the hell is that? Is that a seagull?
Dude, we just rock.
Yeah, dude! Oh my god, that was a seagull!
Oh my God.
That sounded like a seagull! I'm not the dude, that is wild. A seagull flew in our apartment.
We just rock.
A seagull!
Where?
Okay, it's just I thought it was a seagull. I'll be sure at the beach. It definitely sound like a seagull.
Oh my god.
Good night, guys.
What is it?
I thought a seagull just flew in our room, dude. I was like, oh my god, dude. Kill the bitch, dude. I thought a seagull. Justine's all like, get. Whatever, dude. I thought a seagull just flew in her room.
It's a video.
Still?
We're still going.
Did you
It's still funny.
Video?
I did.
Can I see it?
No, I'm still video recording.
I have my glasses on. I don't look right.
It doesn't zoom on it.
Can I see my cheerleading video?
Yeah,
We'll get it
what's
on
her...
tape.
What?
We'll get it on tape.
No.
What the fuck? Hurry up. Go on, do it.
Right, it's ground.